So MHC class 1, is that found on all cells or antigen presenting cells? Well, be careful because antigen presenting cells also can be infected by viruses. So they also have MHC class 1. So just be mindful that I can destroy these cells if they have a virus and they're infected with a virus. So move on. You guys can slow down and take a look at that. MHC class 1 found on all cells. MHC class 2 found on DMB, so antigen presenting cells. And who binds to MHC class 1? We said MHC class 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So CD4 cells, T helper cells, bind to MHC class 2. What about MHC class 1? All cells, if they need to be destroyed, will bind to CD8 cytotoxic T cells, and that will cause destruction of the cell by perforins, granzymes, etc. So let's get through this. What did I say? I said MHC class 1 are found in all cells. If there is a virus, right, mostly virus, and it enters into the cell, it starts to take over. You don't want to keep the cell. You destroy it. How do you destroy it? You bind it to cytotoxic T cells, which are CD8. So we said CD8 T cells will destroy these cells. How? Perforin or granzymes, but perforin punches holes, and that causes fluid movement into the cell. MHC class 2, what did we say they bind to? T helper cells. And what are the markings on T helper cells? CD4. And how do they get rid of it? Well, if it's presenting an antigen, what it's going to do is it's going to recognize the antigen or foreign substance and activate other cells. Who did I say activates? Well, we didn't. T helper has TH1 and TH2. Actually, we did. We said the second letter in the alphabet was the B. So TH2 encourages B cells to mature into what? Plasma cells. What do plasma cells do? They release antibodies. And what are antibodies? They are tags. They do the tag you're it so that it marks the structure for destruction. And who might destroy it? Well, these guys might come back and destroy it, right? Or macrophages might come back and eat it. So TH1, one big eater. We said those were our macrophages. So it encourages the development and migration of macrophages to come to the rescue. Good, let's take a break.